delve into the mysteries of the cosmic microwave background, unveiling secrets of the universe's infancy. Scientists unlock new perspectives on the early universe, shedding light on its enigmatic beginnings. Journey through time to witness the birth of galaxies and the evolution of cosmic structures. Explore the cosmic tapestry, where the faint echoes of the Big Bang linger in the vast expanse. Unravel the fabric of space-time, revealing the intricate web that binds the cosmos together. Witness the birth of stars and planets, a cosmic dance orchestrated by the forces of nature. Peer into the depths of the universe, where ancient light carries the story of our cosmic origins. Discover the cosmic symphony, harmonizing the elements that shape the vast celestial landscape. Uncover the cosmic blueprint, a roadmap to the universe's past, present, and future intertwined. Embark on a cosmic odyssey, where science and wonder converge to illuminate the cosmos's grand design.